Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a local coffee shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the coffee shop staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many weeks has the new barista worked at this coffee shop? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are, Little Roost Coffee, my favorite spot on Friday morning.
Mine too. It smells so good in here. I love that smell.
It's the fresh coffee. They roast their own beans here, you know.
Really? They roast them right in the shop?
Yes, that's why the smell is so strong. Fresh beans, roasted today.
That's why I always come back. It's not like the big chain stores.
This is what people call a local coffee shop. Small, local, and special.
I like that. The staff always remember my face too. That's nice.
Look at the line. It's a little busy today.
Friday morning. Everyone wants a good coffee before work.
Wait, look. There's a new person at the counter. I haven't seen her before.
Oh, you're right. The woman with the green apron and blonde hair.
She looks a little nervous. Maybe it's her first week.
And Mr. Reyes is on the other counter. He's always so calm and fast.
He's been here for a long time. 5 years, I think.
So, one line is new and one line is fast. Which one do we pick?
How about this? I'll go to the new woman's line, and you go to Mr. Reyes.
You always pick the slow line, Sam.
I know, but she looks nervous. I want to be kind. Everyone starts somewhere.
That's sweet. Okay, I'll take the fast one. Meet you at the pickup area?
Yes, order what you want, and I'll pay for mine.
Deal. Good luck with the new barista, Sam.
Thanks. Good luck with your order, too.
See you in a minute.
See ya.
Hi, welcome to Little Roost Coffee. What can I get for you today?
Hi, good morning. Can I ask a quick question first?
Yes, of course. Please go ahead.
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
Oh, well, let me think. A latte is,
Take your time, no rush at all.
I'm so sorry. I'm still learning. This is only my 4th week here.
4th week, that's great. You're doing fine.
Thank you. I know they are both coffee with milk, but...
It's okay, I think I can help. A latte has more milk. A cappuccino has less milk. It has more milk bubbles on top.
Oh, yes, that's right. More foam for the cappuccino. I remember now.
The word latte means milk in Italian, so a latte is really a milk drink with coffee.
Wow, I didn't know that. That's a nice fact.
And cappuccino comes from an old Italian word too. Some old monks wore brown clothes. The color of this drink looks like their clothes.
Oh, that is a cute story. You know a lot about coffee, sir.
Not really, I just like reading about it. Okay, I'll take a latte, please.
1 latte, hot or iced?
Hot, please, a medium size.
1 medium hot latte. That will be $4.50.
Here you go, $5.
Thank you. Here's your 50 cents. And can I have your name for the cup?
Sam.
Sim?
Sorry, S-A-M. Sam.
Oh, Sam. Got it. Sorry about that.
No problem at all. It happens.
Sam. Okay, I'll write it down now.
Thank you. Have a good morning.
You too, sir. Please wait at the pickup area.
Thanks, I'll wait over there.
Good morning. Welcome back. What can I make for you today?
Good morning. It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. The usual or something new today?
I'm not sure yet. What do you recommend today?
We have a new single origin coffee this week. Would you like to try it?
Single origin? Can you tell me a little more about that?
Sure. Single origin means the coffee is from one place, not many places, not a mix.
Oh, I see. So it's not a blend?
Right. Most coffee is a mix from many farms, but single origin is from just one farm.
So the taste can change a lot from one farm to another.
Yes, same country, different farm, different taste. That is the fun part.
I like that. Where is today's from?
Today's one is from Ethiopia. It has a floral, fruity taste.
Floral, fruity? What do you mean?
Floral means it smells a little like flowers. Fruity means the taste is like fruit, soft and sweet.
Wow, that sounds different from a regular coffee.
Yes, lighter and brighter, I would say.
I love that. I'll try it. Can I get it as a pour-over?
Great choice. A pour-over is a handmade coffee. We pour hot water on the beans slowly. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. Medium size.
One medium hot pour-over from Ethiopia. That will be $5.75.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Just a moment. Okay, done. And your name for the cup?
Ellie. Ellie.
Ellie, got it. Easy one for me today.
Thanks. I'll wait over there with my partner.
Sounds good. It will be ready in about 5 minutes.
No rush at all. Take your time.
Thanks. Have a great morning, Ellie.
You too. See you in a minute. Hey, that was fast. How did it go on your side?
It was a little slow, but nice. The new woman is very sweet.
What happened?
I asked about the difference between a latte and a cappuccino. She stopped and could not answer.
Poor thing. First week question.
4th week, actually, but still very new. I helped her a little.
You helped the barista? That's so like you, Sam.
I wasn't trying to teach. I just said the answer softly. She was so nervous.
You did the right thing. Everyone needs a kind customer on a hard day.
I remember my first job. I was so nervous too. My hands were shaking.
Really? You? I can't picture that.
It's true. First week is scary. So I always try to be nice to new staff.
That's why I like you. Oh, hey, you know what I was thinking about?
What?
You know how baristas often spell names wrong on cups? Same sound, different letters?
Yes, that happens all the time.
Exactly. It's a common problem.
I had one that was really strange, not even close to my real name.
Oh, I have a story too. Last month, a barista wrote my name as Allie.
Allie? But your name is Ellie.
I know. I said Ellie, but he heard Allie. So the cup said A-L-L-Y.
That's a good one. Did you show him?
No, I just laughed and took a picture. It's a fun memory now.
I wonder how they wrote mine today. S-A-M. Only 3 letters.
3 letters is easy. It should be safe.
We'll see. I have a feeling something interesting will happen.
Oh, really? Why do you say that?
Just a feeling. She was very nervous.
Order for the pour-over. Hot pour-over ready.
Excuse me, I think that one is for my partner.
Oh no. I'm so sorry. Let me check the ticket.
It's okay, take your time.
You're right. This one is a pour-over for Ellie. I called the wrong drink.
No problem at all, it happens.
I'm really sorry. Let me get your latte. It should be right here.
Please don't worry.
Here it is. 1 medium hot latte. For you. I'm so sorry again.
Thank you, it's okay, you're doing great.
Thank you. I'm still learning. Today is my 4th week, and I'm so nervous.
4th week is still very early. I remember my first job. I was shaking on my first day.
Really? You seem so calm.
I was younger then, but I remember the feeling. It gets easier, trust me.
Thank you. That means a lot. Most customers get angry when I make a mistake.
I understand, but please don't let that stop you. You are being kind and trying hard.
Thank you so much. Your words really helped me today.
Anytime. Just breathe. One order at a time. You will be great in a few months.
I hope so. My teacher, Mr. Reyes, says the same thing.
Listen to him. He knows what he's doing. 5 years is a long time.
I will. Thank you again, sir. Enjoy your latte.
Thank you. Have a good day at work.
You too. And I'm sorry one more time.
No need, really. See you next time.
See you next time, sir.
Ellie, your Ethiopia pour-over is ready.
That was fast. Thank you.
Here you go. Careful, the cup is hot. Let it cool for a minute.
Thank you. It smells wonderful. So fruity.
Try it slowly. The taste changes as it cools. That's the fun part.
Really? I didn't know that. I'll try it hot and warm.
You'll notice more fruity taste when it's a little cooler.
Nice. Oh, by the way, I saw the new woman at the other counter. Is she okay?
Ms. Adams? Yes, she's fine. Just a little nervous today. Sorry if she was slow.
No, she was very sweet. My partner said she's very kind and trying hard.
That's good to hear. She's only in her 4th week, still learning a lot.
I can tell. She has a good heart. Are you her teacher?
Yes. Well, I'm the shift lead here. I train the new baristas, like a team leader for this shift.
Oh, so you're like the boss?
Not the boss, not the manager. A shift lead is between a barista and a manager.
I see. So you help the new people learn the job.
Exactly. I've been here for 5 years now. I know every drink on the menu.
That's amazing. Do you think Miss Adams will do well?
I do. She is polite and she cares. That's the hard part. The drinks she can learn.
That's a nice way to look at it. You must be a good teacher.
I try. Every new barista is different. Some are fast, some are slow, but all can grow.
That's a great attitude. Please tell her we said hello.
I will. Thank you. Enjoy your coffee, Ellie. Have a nice weekend.
You too, Mr. Reyes. See you next Friday. Finally. Let's sit here by the window. Perfect spot.
Yes, nice and sunny. Let me try my latte first.
How is it?
It's really good. Warm, smooth, just right.
Try mine too. It has a fruity taste. Mr. Reyes said it's from Ethiopia.
Wow, yes. I can taste the fruit, almost like berries.
Right? So different from a regular blend.
That was a good pick. So, how was Mr. Reyes today?
Great. He was so calm and friendly. He's the shift lead, you know?
Oh, really? He trains the new baristas?
Yes. He said Ms. Adams is doing well. She just needs more time.
I'm glad. She was really trying hard. She looked a little scared when she gave me the wrong drink first.
Oh no, she gave you the wrong drink?
Yes, but she caught it quickly, and she said sorry so many times. Poor thing.
You were kind to her, I hope.
Of course. I told her about my first job, how I was nervous too.
You have a good heart, Sam.
Thanks. You know, I really think she will be a great barista one day.
I think so too. She has the right heart. That is the hard part.
Yes, the drinks, she can learn. Kindness, you can't teach.
Give her a few months. She will be fast and calm, like Mr. Reyes.
I hope we see her grow every Friday.
We can be her regulars. A friendly face helps a lot.
You're right. Let's keep coming on Fridays. Same time, same seats.
Deal. Hey, wait. Let me look at your cup.
What's wrong?
Look at this. Oh my.
I know. It's written S-I-M. Sim.
No way. Really? S-I-M. That's so cute.
I told you something interesting would happen.
I have to take a picture. This is a good memory for sure.
Sim, not Sam. Well, close enough.
She was trying so hard. Don't be mad, okay?
Mad? No way. I love it.
It's a nice memory.
Next time we come, I bet she'll write it right.
I hope so. But even if she doesn't, Sim is fine with me.
Sim it is. Cheers, Sim.
Cheers, Allie.
Hey.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many weeks has the new barista worked at this coffee shop? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!